Lesson time.
Wagwan students, move so now follow along with the lesson them now. We're on part 3, yes, part 3 of the lessons, and we done lay foundation in a part 1 and part 2 already. So if you never check it out, make sure you do so after you done watch this video. Today, we're going to look at the Patwa translations for possessive pronouns. What are possessive pronouns? All them do them show ownership. Who are the owner? So, there are two things that you will note with the possessive pronouns. One, nearly always we use fi along with the subject or object pronouns that you learned in lesson 1 and 2. The second thing, because I'm show ownership, you find that normally we use own at the end of the sentence. Alright, kind of confusing. We could go straight to the lesson so you can understand better. Make we take a look. Fimi, minds. Fimi, minds. That pen of Fimi on. Fio. Fio. Disafio. Fi him. Fi him. Fim. That yard a fim. That yard a fi him own. Fi her. Fi her. Them things a fi her own. Fiit. Fiit. Feet like them long. Fiwi. Fiwi. Them the snack a fiwi on. The plural form of the word yours. Fi uno. Fi uno. Them are no fi uno on. Fi them. Fi them. Them think it a fi them own. Alright guys, your turn now. Use what you learned so far from lesson 1 through to 3 to translate these sentences into Jamaican Patwa. Be sure to look out for the answers in the next video.